everybody, Monty Reed here, and today I'm talking to you about the to-go meals, and we're going to feature the island pork, and it includes pork. It's not just any pork, it is the Thrive shredded pulled pork, and that stuff is slow cooked for 8 hours. Slow cooked for 8 hours, just tender, falling off the bone. I don't know if you've ever had pulled pork that's been slow cooked like that, but it is pulled pork, pineapple, onions, and island seasoning. And all you do is just tear the top off. And you want to make sure you remove the oxygen absorber. And you can reach in, pull the oxygen absorber out. Then you add boiling water. You're just going to add a 1/4 cup of water. And you're going to stir for 5 minutes. And a little time lapse real quick. This one's been stirred for 5 minutes, and then you just dig in, and you've got that island pulled pork. It's got the pulled pork, the onions, the pineapple. I'm not seasoning. Oh my goodness. Wow. That is the to-go. Sorry, I'm getting lost. That is amazing. And I recommend you order 100 of the 6-packs. You'll love it. 6-pack comes with 2 each of these. The chicken salad includes mayonnaise packets. The fajita and the island-style pork are just totally self-contained. So this is the new to-go. This is revolutionary. You can use this for a snack, put it in your purse, your glove box, your backpack. I mean, for backpacking, these are amazing. They're, just a small little meal, single serving, 39 grams. It doesn't swell up like dehydrated stuff. I mean, it's freeze-dried, but it's pretty amazing, and you are just going to love it. Of course, you got to make sure you remove that oxygen absorber because that's not going to hurt you, but you don't want to eat it. So, but this is the island-style pork to go. Monty Reed for Thrive Life. Have a great day.
Keep thriving, my friends.